VIBEMAC V300 Automatic Continuous Waistband Unit. Easy to attach the banana-shaped waistband. It is suitable for attaching the waistband of pants. Available for both banana-shaped and straight waistband. The unit can provide both lock stitch and chain stitch, and the two types of stitches can be mixed as desired in one process. The lock stitch speed is 4,200 RPM, and the chain stitch speed is 3,200 RPM. Easy to attach banana-shaped waistband. The servo motor directly drives the puller system, and the up and down synchronization of puller can be adjusted independently, which is easy to achieve the banana-shaped waistband and more suitable for the human body curve. Needle feed. The needle feed structure can effectively avoid the wrinkles and waves of fabric, and ensure that the finished products would be more smooth. Sensor. The unit has full automatic and semi-automatic operation modes. In the full automatic operation mode, the unit will start sewing only after the fabric is detected. Auto trimmer. According to the set parameters, the unit automatically trims the fabric at the beginning and the end of sewing. Programmable skip stitch. At the beginning and end of the waistband sewing, the skip stitch is achieving automatically according to the set stitch length. Saving labor to take out stitches. Needle cooling device. The machine quickly blows cool air to needles when sewing to ensure that there is no needle breaking and thread breaking at the high speed. Easy needle gauge adjustment. The unit reserves multiple needle positions on the needle holder, so it is easy and fast to adjust the needle gauge by only changing the needle position. Intelligent control system. With input, output, and other test functions, it is convenient for customer to check the machine. Safety devices ensure that the machine is more reliable during operation. Visual display of all information. Automatic alarm display. Automatic output report. Convenient service. Every spare has a special code for later replacement and service. Other versions. V201 Automatic Continuous Waistband Unit, Single Waistband. VIBEMAC V300 Automatic Continuous Waistband Unit, easy to attach the banana-shaped waistband. Italy VIBEMAC Jean Smart Solution.